Welcome back to my channel. In this channel today, I will show you how you can make money just by using ChatGPT. Straightforward. So what you have to do, first of all, before you start writing your article, first you have to come to this website here where it's called Answer the Public. All right, this is the website. You have to come to this website here. When you come to this website, then you have to select your own keyword in order for you to find the result. So for example, so you have to come to this place here, you write your keyword, and then you come to this place here where you have to select your country. As you see now, I have selected United States. All right, so here is the place you have to select your own language in order for you to find the keyword. So as you see here, I have selected this English. So, and let's scroll down to see the result. As you see here, this is the result. I have your questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabets, and related. All right, this is the result I'm getting. So I'm going to check these questions here. As I have here 131 questions, all right, related to Upwork. All right, as you see here, which is the better, Upwork or online jobs? As you see, we have so many questions here. Which is the better, Upwork or Fiverr freelance? Which is better, Upwork or Fiverr? So these questions here, people, they want to know before they get started using Upwork. So what you have to do when you get this kind of questions here, you have to get this. Then, so as you see now, so when you copy these questions, but this platform is not for free, you have to pay it, but you can still use it just for you to test. You can use it for a few days for you to get some questions in order for you to start making money. All right, so as we have get now this kind of questions, people are asking which is better, Upwork or Fiverr. So in order for you to get an article for this, what you have to do, you have to come to ChatGPT, as you see here, right? Which is better, Upwork or Fiverr? All right, so this is the question we have found on answering of this platform here. This is the platform. This is the question we have found here. What is better, Upwork or Fiverr? As you see here. So when you come to ChatGPT, you have to, which is the better, Upwork or Fiverr? So you have to ask this question. So you just will say, write me 1,000 words for blog article. As you see here, answering this question. You see, so you will come to this. So when you complete this, so you will ask ChatGPT to write this for you. So when you complete this, you just paste here and ChatGPT will write for you everything, as you see here. So ChatGPT is writing for us. All right, ChatGPT is writing for us, as you see. So this is the result we're getting from ChatGPT, as you see now. Let's just wait while ChatGPT is writing for us. All right, let's just wait while it is writing for us. All right, so we have got this article here, but as you see, this article was written by AI. So in order for you to rank on Google using this article, first of all, when you get this article, you have to just change this something. You have to change something in this article for you to be able to rank. So how can you change this? You have to come to this platform here. It's called Killboard. All right, when you come to this, this is the platform where you will have to paste this you paste it here in this platform in order for you to rewrite this. All right, as you see now, I have pasted this. As you see now, I have pasted this article here. So when you paste here, you just have to select which one: standard, fluent, informal, academic, simple, creative. All right, so let's just select this creative. All right, so let's just know, it's asking me because I have added so many words here. So let's just scroll down here and check what's happening. All right, so we have so many words here and we have passed the size. As you see here, we have got so many. All right, so when you come to this here interface here, all right, as you see now, so we are Killboard is generating the content for us. As you see now, we have got, now this is the information we got from this Killboard. All right, so when you grab this information, what you have to do, but before you paste it, you have to check and correct some mistakes, because this is AI. So in order for you to be able to rank, you have to check all this information. All right, but also you will not be able to paste all this information, so you have to paste half and half in order for you to complete all the text you took from ChatGPT. All right, so when you will complete rewriting this all article, what you have to do, you have to come to this platform here where you will have to write your article. This is a free platform where it's called Medium. So Medium is the place where you will post your article. All right, so you come to this interface here, just say write. All right, this is the place. So when you come to this place here, you will have to add your title here. All right, so just add your title here and write everything here step by step. Write everything here step by step and add your title here. This is the place where you have to add your title. The title is the same, so you don't need to change. It's the same, you don't need to change. You just come to ChatGPT here, you check the title. All right, the title is the same, you just copy it. As you see here, I'm copying now. All right, you just copy it and you paste it here as your title. As you see now, you just paste it, but you have to make sure to check everything that is right for you to avoid to publish something with the mistakes. And also you have to add some pictures here. In order for you to get pictures, you can come to the Pixel. Pixel is the Big Spy. Big Spy is the place where you get free images here. So you come to this place here, all right, you just come to this Pixabay. This is the platform where you will get the free images here. You will come to this platform here where you will collect the free images. You just grab some of them. You can, all right, you just search here freelancers. All right, just have to search. Let me just search freelancers just for us. All right, as you see here, I'm just search. You have got so many pictures. Just add pictures like this or like this, where it's showing someone while he is working. All right, you can add something like this. We have a very nice pictures here. As you see here, you just grab one of these, you download, and you are ready to go. All right, so when you find the pictures that you like, what you have to do, just come to you just click the pictures here, as you see, and here is the place for you to download. Just click here, download, and you are ready to go download. All right, so you don't need, if you have some, you can give them, you can donate, but if you don't have, no problem. As you see, we have downloaded already downloaded the pictures. So you come to this place here, because some people, they like it for you to add images. All right, so when you already have this, what you have to do now, we have got already our image. So what you can do, you just have to come to this place here, and take the pictures and you put here. All right, you just link that as you see now, as I'm doing. All right, you just do this. And what else you have to do, because you are writing this in order for you to make some income, but you will, so in Medium you will be paid also just for you to post some information to help you other people. And also I will show you some another platform where we have to get some a course that's costing the cheapest one for you just to include here and for you to start making money. So we will be using this platform here. All right, we will be using this platform here, as you call Sell Ease. All right, when you come to this platform, you have to come to the marketplace. All right, as you see, we are here in marketplace. What you have to do, as you see, the Upwork Mastermind program. All right, so you can just grab this affiliate link here. This program here is selling $25 US, so you will get $12 US as a commission. So this is for those people who are looking to master Upwork. All right, Upwork platform, for them to be able to start making income. So when you come to this platform here, you just click here where you say promote. So when you click here, you see this link here. This is the link. You just copy this link, and as you see, this link looks so ugly. What you have to do, you have to come to this platform here. Is called Bitly. Bitly is the platform that's going to help us just to shorten our link in order for us to get a beautiful link. All right, you come to this platform here, you just click here and you paste your link here. All right, so now we have pasted our ugly link. Just click here or here down. All right, you click here and we will get our new beautiful link. All right, this is the link. You just copy here. After you copy, this is our link. When you copy, you come to the Medium again. So what you have to do, so when you come to Medium, so you can just try to find any place here in the Medium where between your post, like here. All right, you can just check this all right, check this Upwork Mastermind program. Click here. All right, you can just recommend them, and you add your link here. You just highlight like this, and then you add your link this place like this. So you add your link here. So when you complete, what you have to do, you have to copy this information, and you have to add here at the end of this article. So one more tips. So when you add the link on Medium, you have to also to give a disclaimer here down to tell people that you have pasted some link in the description on this and on this article. If you don't do that, Medium will delete your article, and maybe your account you will be suspended. So when you finish everything, you just click this place here where you say publish. So when you click here, and you are ready to go. And if anyone who comes to this platform here, you will be able to get some commission, and you will be your commission through this platform here, where you will get everything here. This platform, it will allow you to make this $12 US. I'm sure if someone comes and check this course, he will make the payment. I'm sure he will like this course, because as you see, this question is for someone who is looking for more information to start working on Upwork. So this was my tips today for this video, and I hope you like this. And if you like, please let me know something in the comment below. And I have also left the link in my description below regarding to this platform here, where you can sign up and start promoting these courses here, and you to get money. And also you have to come to the Medium here, where you have to post your article for free. You don't need to pay. And when you get more readers in Medium, also he will be able to start pay you. So how you can get paid? You can come to this place here where you say apply to the partner program here. You have to become, but before you apply for this, you have to become a member. So when you become a member, then you can apply to become the partner. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please let me know something in the comment below. So thank you very much and have a great day.